Welcome to our end of year essentials webinar, where we'll be hearing from different counselors on what they focus on towards the end of the academic year and how they support their students and their communities on Cialfo. So we'll be going over 5 major upcoming and current upgrades, which includes hubs. It provides a way to simplify your counseling curriculum with your students by centralizing, distributing, and implementing your counseling curriculum all in one place. We've launched our PSHE curriculum resources for grades 8 through 12. Our PSHE resources enable school counselors to efficiently deliver structured lessons on emotional intelligence, relationships, and life skills across entire grade levels. We will be adding a course-based search experience to our university search feature that will allow you and your students to do university discovery from a course-based perspective. We're currently in development of this upcoming feature called Alumni Tracker, and this feature will help schools manage their alumni data and communicate with them, more importantly. And finally, for our last but not the least upgrade is our Saige Rewards. So these are tangible tokens of appreciation that can be redeemed for professional development courses, platform renewals, and more. So without further ado, I'd love to call on Cerise to kick us off with her user session.
I've delved into working with AI, especially to help our students with their research, comparing universities, comparing courses. We're also using Cialfo as a one-stop shop. For example, I put a screenshot here of using the compare all chart. We really want our students to start taking their long list and beginning to narrow it down and refine it. I know we keep hearing about Saige and about AI, but I'm really finding success using it and teaching my students how to refine their prompts to get better information.
We use Cialfo from 9th grade through 12th grade. So we have all of our high school students on Cialfo, and we also have all of our parents have parent accounts on Cialfo as well. It allows them to explore the universities, turning their personal dynamics and their interests into actual focused and actionable plans through the shortlist and into the applying list.
So if we're looking at students without offers, there may be some tough decisions to talk to them about their results and where they might be eligible for. I see students more and more falling into the trap of is becoming overwhelmed with the minutiae of detail. So I think from my point of view, it's really encouraging students to think, okay, I just take one decision at a time. Tell them to sort of reassure them that being overwhelmed or being worried is normal, and lots of people will be feeling that, and universities understand that. So there's lots of things set up or geared to help students feel welcome in their new country.
Thanks so much, Brian. I think this webinar turned out to be a very well-rounded one.